Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share what Tata Institute of Social Sciences really means to me, being a student of TISS and as an HR professional for the last almost 19 plus years. And of course, having had the privilege of teaching at TIS as well as a visiting faculty. Uh, for me, if I were to encapsulate my experience as well as my learnings from TISS, it can be put only in one word, and that is values. As an HR professional, over the years, you learn the technicalities of your subject as you grow in your roles. But what you really need as an anchor, as a professional, are your principles and values. And as an HR professional, we come across several situations because we deal with people. People are not the most easily satisfied ones. Our jobs are not black and white, like a typical sales job or any other job which is number driven or which is objective. And there are many dilemmas that accompany our roles as we move forward. The only way to address these dilemmas, the only way to address several people-related challenges that come up, people-related conflicts, people requirements of people, changing requirements of business and alignment of business requirements with people requirement. Now, in the kind of situation that we find ourselves in on account of COVID, the case for values, a value-driven approach, cannot be more emphasized. And in my experience, TISS has really taught me that. I was very fortunate to have outstanding professors who were not only very good and very competent in terms of their subject understanding, but I used to look upon them as role models. In our day-to-day interaction with them, their approach to student issues, their approach to the challenges that we face as students, their dealings with each other, you could literally see them exhibiting those values that they talk about. And this is something which nobody can teach. You don't need a course for that. You watch, you observe, you see, you imbibe, and you make a choice whether you want to walk on that path or you do not wish to walk on that path. I was very fortunate to have such professors. And I can say today with a great degree of surety that the same tradition continues. The current set of people, the current set of leaders at TISS who teach, who share their experience, are all people primarily driven by a sense of value, by principles. And that is something that endears me to Tata Institute of Social Sciences, that keeps me coming back to my alma mater. I'm deeply, deeply thankful. Whatever I am today is because of this great institution, because it instilled in me values of compassion, values of consistently and continuously learning, values of inclusivity. Tata Institute is perhaps one of the only campuses in this country, or perhaps one of the very few campuses that truly emphasizes on inclusion. Inclusion of people from all walks of life, from all communities, all regions, all social groups. And that is something that one learned. A lot of compassion by working with people, and at the same time ensuring that your educational excellence through continuous learning was also deeply emphasized. So I wish you all the very best. as you take that next step forward in joining this great institution, and wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.